Are you sometimes also upset and fed up with all this noise which is complete overloading you the whole day, all the informations and the noise around you? I guess you are. I would love that you share with me and I with you the opposite of this, a silent sound which is coming from the gong. This is noise around you. I guess we are all from time to time. All the overflow from information we receive every second in our life when we are at work and so on. May I introduce you to these instruments here behind my back? These are the gongs, and these gongs are made with the frequencies of the planets in our universe. On my right side you see the Jupiter, on my left you see Venus, and their frequency will help you to find an inner peace and stillness in you. They are so strong in their vibration that they take everything from you what is causing you mental stress, mental anxiety, or emotional feeling unhappy, whatever it is. It can create with their overtones, and there is a very beautiful sound in it. It's an sound, A-U-M, from the universe, which will help you to relax totally. I hope you liked it. If you want to see the whole session, just click on www.open-newhorizons.com